sometimes a function is defined by different equations in different parts of its domain. So this is great because you have two different equations, so this is fantastic practice. For example, Amit and Michelle. For example, the weight of an object varies directly with its distance from the center of the Earth when the object is below the Earth's surface. I'm just going to write this right there. I have a feeling an above is coming our way. The weight of an object varies directly with its distance from the center of the Earth. Weight varies directly with the distance from Earth. Is that what it says?
Yes.
Oh. What's W? W's weight. G is distance. And then it says it's inversely proportional to the square of its distance. Oh my God, when it's above. The weight is inversely proportional to the square of its distance. What am I going to do there? There? The inverse. It says it's inversely proportional. Yeah, whatever distance. Okay, they're going to give us some information so we can figure out equations. Right now, these are not really equations. If I know the weight, I don't know the distance. If I know the distance, I don't know the weight. I got to figure some things out. Okay, so it says, Phoebe! She weighs 81 pounds. She is tiny. 81 pounds is small. Hence her name, Phoebe Small. 81 pounds is not a lot.
I can lift that.
Her last name is Small. Phoebe Small.
And her middle name is.
It doesn't matter. Let's move on. So, Phoebe Small weighs 81 pounds at the Earth's surface. So she's neither above nor below. Write the particular equations expressing her weight as a function of distance from the center, assuming that the radius of the Earth is 4,000 miles. Wow! Let's start with below. Let's start with below. Okay, and so we're talking about how many thousands of miles?
4,000.
Okay, so her weight. Alright. Her distance, what's the distance again? Tell me.
4,000 miles.
4,000 miles. Okay,
The radius of the
that doesn't make sense. What am I missing? Constant, yeah. No. That's wrong. Stop. Oh, she weighs 81 pounds. Her weight. I forgot the 81 pounds. I was like, oh my God, not again. Her weight is 81 pounds. Okay, and then times some, whatever you want to use. K, whatever. A, B, C, K, U, T. What do you get? And save it in your calculator.
Okay.
Start wherever you want, but oh, it's a nice number. It's a nice number. You don't need to store.
Wait. Oh, that's okay.
Her weight above 81 is equal to some constant over 4,000. 4,000 again? Yeah? Why do I keep forgetting that number? Multiply both sides by 4,000 squared. I have a feeling that's a big number. Oops, oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time today.
That's a really big.
Okay, let's do scientific notation. Yeah, let's do I'm gonna do scientific notations. Help me out. 1.296 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I get 9.
Oh, wait.
Wait, what? 9.
9, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Is there something we can convert into 400,000? Or I think I did the
I'll tell you more. Remind me. I'll show you afterwards.
Okay.
No.
Math.
Okay, well, now we're here. Brian. Math. Oh, sorry, mode. The second row, you have that. It should be flashing normal. So go over to SCI. Okay.
Enter.
And quit. There it is. 1 point. Oh, yeah.
1.296 e to the 9.
Remind me about this, okay? I'll tell you guys after we're done doing the problem. All right, there are 2 equations. So now it's a plug and chug. Predict Phoebe's weight. 3,000, 8,000, 12,000 miles from the center. The equation you use depends on her distance. Okay, so if 3,000, if she weighs 3,000 pounds.
No, it's just distance.
Oh my gosh.
She's not small.
I don't know where I am today. My brain is somewhere else. Okay, her distance is 3,000 miles. Poor Phoebe. She went from 81 to 3,000. Something bad happened there.
Gaining weight.
Obviously. Okay, so which equation am I going to use?
Below.
Yeah, she is below. How do you know that? Because the radius is 4,000 miles, so she's still below the surface. So we're going to do W equals 0.02025 times 3,000. Plug and chug. Oh my gosh, poor Phoebe weighs 3,000 pounds. Oh my Lord, what did I do to her?
W equals
She changed her Phoebe thing.
You can say that again. Phoebe mega big. Oh shoot, now I might
now everything's in
calculate.
science.
I know, now everything's in scientific notation.
That's so. 3 times 4.
60.75. Wow, she's getting thinner.
That's not right.
No, this is not good. She only weighs 61 pounds.
81.
No, she's gone
No,
down.
no.
Before she weighed 81.
There are dogs that weigh more than that. You are absolutely right. Oh, yeah.
No, I think she needs to get that checked out.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe she's, yeah, who knows what's going on.
Yeah.
All right, 8,000.
Dog.
8,000. Which equation? Above or below?
Above.
Above, because the radius is 4,000 and 8,000 is more than 4,000. So her weight is 1.296 times 10 to the 9. This is going to bring her down significantly. I mean, sorry, it's going to bring her up. It's going to bring her weight up. 1.296 divided by 4. Oh my God, she's 20.25 pounds. But this is why you can float in space, right? I don't know.
Sure.
Yeah. Isn't that because of the lack of gravity?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
not
why.
like-
I don't think it's because of your weight.
No, I'm saying, right, like that's why they're weightless. I think. Don't ask me. I'm not an astronaut.
No.
Was it this class we were talking about being a NASA astronaut?
No.
We can talk about it though.
I mean, we
Yeah.
talk about a lot of things.
Yeah,
we did talk about a lot of things.
What's wrong with that, Michelle?
Nothing.
Okay.
It's a great class.
12,000. All right, so the distance is 12,000. All right, so is she going to weigh less than 60 pounds, 61 pounds?
Yes.
Yeah, so she gonna weigh less than 21 pounds? 20?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm worried for
I know, I'm worried for her too. How much is she gonna weigh?
2 pounds.
2 pounds? Did you do it already?
No. Oh.
I'm thinking like 6, 8,
9 pounds.
9?
9 plus.
Like a baby.
New.
Like the weight of a baby. Around.
Yeah, that's
Nine
pretty
pounds.
much.
That's a heavy baby.
Not really.
Honestly, that's not even that.
No, it's not at all. I had several friends who weighed over 11 pounds when they were born.
What?
Is it like out of the norm? Yeah, I mean, are most babies here? Sure, but first of all, you're not statisticians, so you don't know the exact average. But it is not unheard of.
Always look at
Now you made me lose my thought. See, we're talking about things.
1 pound. Michelle doesn't
22
appreciate.
pounds exactly.
22
Well,
pounds.
you got it. 20 points on the baby.
I go back to Amalea's statement about, there are dogs that weigh that much when they're born. Or that weigh that much.
Error.
What do you get? What was it? I mean,
9.
Oh, that's
exactly. Really?
9?
Phoebe's a very rough. She's very average.
She's very average. Phoebe is hardly average.
I was like 6.
Phoebe is definitely Mr. Grizzly's daughter.
Oh my god. Miss Fritz? Miss Frizzle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great
from
show.
Magic.
School bus, magic school bus.
She's definitely
Oh, yeah.
her daughter.
I love that song. The magic school bus.
Wait, that would be awesome.
They just don't
Yeah.
die.
All right, anyway, so that's some word problem examples. We need to go over some homework, and I am going to, what's today, Wednesday? Okay, I'm going to pass back your test to you as well. Questions on the board, and then I'll give you, as I pass back tests. Oh my gosh, I love that.